Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to ICT Year 7 and this is Python Phase 4 and in today's lesson we're going to learn a little bit about basic operators. It's not going to be difficult, just simple multiplication, subtraction, division, addition and so on. So besides assigning a variable an initial value, and we've already learned that, how to assign a variable and how to assign an initial value to that. You can also perform the usual mathematical operators on variables. Basic operators in Python includes plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, percentage sign, and star star, which represents addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponent, respectively. Alright, so let's get on with it. We're going to try a program, a simple program with each and every basic operator. So let's open Python. Let's go to the group of programs starts with P, Python, and then open Python IDLE. To start programming, all you have to do is click on File, New File. Alright, so I'm going to create a variable and I'm going to name it X. And I'm going to give it an initial value, let's say 2. And then another variable y, and I'm going to give it another initial value, let's try 2. Now I want to, let's say, add x to y, so I'm going to create another variable named z, and now I want z to equals x plus y. That way, now I need to tell the computer to display the value of z, right? So print z in between brackets and z. So in order to run this program, as you all know, you need to save it first, and I'm going to name it OP, short for operators, .py. Remember that you always have to end the name with .py, or else the text editor or the shell will not recognize as a Python program. Save. Now to run, all you have to do is click on run and run module, or just simply on the keyboard press F5. Now you've got your result. Z's value equals to x plus y, and x plus y equals 2 plus 2. Now we're done with the addition. Let's try subtraction. Now whenever you make any changes to your program, you need to save that and then press F5 on your keyboard. Now we all know that 2 minus 2 equals to 0, and that's how you do the subtraction, and this is the sign for it. Now let's try multiplication, and the symbol for multiplication on the on computers is star. Again, file, save, run, cancel, run module. Okay, so again we know that 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4, so we know that this is the operator for multiplication. Now let's try division. I'm going to delete the multiplication operator and I'm going to use slash, and slash is the operator for division. Again, file, save, run module, and there you go. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Very good. Next operator that we have on the list is the double slash slash, which is floor division. Floor division. Floor division rounds down the answer to the nearest whole number. So let's use the symbol for floor division. And the symbol is double slash or double forward slash. Again, file, save, run, and the answer is 1. Next operator is modulus, and the symbol for that is percentage. So let's try the modulus for this operation, and instead of double slash we're going to type the percentage sign. Again, file, save, run, and the answer is 0. Next is exponent on the list, and the symbol for exponent is double stars. Let's try that out. instead of the percentage, let's type double star again. File, save, run module, and the answer is 4. Well, that is it for this phase number 4. We've learned about the basic operators in Python. The operators includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponent respectively. Alright, so this is the operator for division, addition, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, and the forward slash is for multiplication, division, sorry, and the double forward slash is for floor division, and the percentage is the operator for modulus, and lastly the double star is an exponent respectively. In the next video or the next phase, we're going to start with some of the variables that we can use, how to define a data type for your variables. So take a break and then straightforward move to the next video where you can find phase number 5. Thank you very much. Take care.